Hey everyone, Chris here from Gospel Progressions University, and today we're unboxing and reviewing the Phenyx Pro PTM-10 personal monitor system. Huge thanks to Phenyx Pro for sending this over. Let's jump right into it. First off, the packaging itself is compact, no unnecessary oversized box here, which I appreciate. It's wrapped nicely, keeping things secure during shipping. Inside, we're greeted by a really nice carrying case with sturdy thumb latches on both sides, which feels secure and professional. The first thing we see inside the carrying case is the instruction manual that's clearly laid out and easy to follow, so definitely don't toss that aside. Right below the manual, neatly wrapped, we've got the transmitter itself. This transmitter feels solid, metal casing, quality build. On the back, we've got balanced XLR inputs for clear sound, plus a handy pad switch, perfect for preventing those unwanted audio overloads on stage. Now, quick note about these included batteries. They're not the best. They didn't last very long in my testing, so you'll probably want to use a good pair of rechargeable AA batteries or lithium batteries instead. Moving along, let's take a look at these receiver packs. They're plastic, but honestly pretty standard even on the more expensive models. Batteries slide in easily on the front, and it's a straightforward design. Checking out the accessories, we've got a nicely wrapped power adapter, a BNC antenna cable extension, and an antenna with decent length that ensures you get good quality wireless range. And this is perfect for large sanctuaries or busy stages. They even included mount screws and rubber feet for the bottom of the transmitter. These little details that go a long way when setting up. All right, let's talk about the headphones. Honestly, they're not great. It's the kind that you would expect with most stock earphones. I'd strongly recommend upgrading these if you're serious about clear, comfortable monitoring. At least get some memory foam inserts and replace the rubber ones. They have those on Amazon. They've also included this handy 8" to 1/4" audio adapter. This is another nice accessory to have on hand. As you can see, everything packs back up really neatly. The foam insert inside the carrying case keeps everything secure, and it makes it ideal for gigging musicians and sound technicians that are constantly on the go. Overall, I'm impressed. A sturdy carrying case, a quality transmitter, flexible setup options. The PTM-10 system is definitely a solid choice for gospel musicians, singers, or anyone looking to move to wireless monitoring without breaking the bank. If you're interested, check the description below for purchase details. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.